what would my dream apartment here in Merida, Mexico look like? I believe I toured it earlier this year and I've been sitting on it for a while. I have to let it go, but I'm about to share it with you all. If you don't know, I have been living in Merida, Mexico for the past 2 years now, and I have lived in about 6 different parts of the city by now, which is why I feel like I am qualified to offer you guys neighborhood tours. I feel like I know different parts of the city and I can help you find what you like based on what you want, especially for expats. But I digress. So if you don't know me, this is your first time here. My name is Monique. I'm the traveling Jamaican. I moved from Jamaica to Mexico to live here in 2022. Right now it's just me and my teenage daughter living here. My parents used to live with me, and surprise, surprise, my mom is going to make a re-entrance soon, so stay tuned for all of that. But if you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can see what our life looks like here in Merida, Mexico, make sure you do that. Hit the like button on this one so that you can see more of my videos popping up on your feed, and it will share out to more people so that I can afford these apartments. Please and thanks, please and thanks. Let's get into the video. I feel like I found my perfect Merida apartment here in Mexico, but it was over my budget. It is still over my budget. Apartments, especially the apartments in high rises with amenities and everything, they are quite pricey in comparison to like just getting a house here in Merida. The apartments are quite pricey, and so my budget not so tall, but I'm going to share with you what it looks like and what my dream apartment kind of looks like here. If me ever like my money turn up and you guys start watching the videos and sharing it and liking it so I can start making some money here on YouTube, maybe I will be able to get into one of these apartments soon. But it was just perfect. So I'm going to take you through the apartment right now. What you won't see is the location. So let me talk a little bit about the location first. So this apartment, it's still in the north, but not as northy as some of the other high rises and the other apartments that you would have seen here on a lot of the YouTube videos. Like just like you, I have watched a ton of YouTube videos on housing here in Merida. That's how I decided where I wanted to live here in Merida before I moved, and I still watch them because I feel like I should have been a realtor in a different life. I might still become a realtor in this life. I just really love touring houses and looking at homes. I still watch some of those videos, and this one is in the north, kind of in the middle of central and the north. So it's not as north, it's not as far north, but it's definitely not in central. It's not too close to central. It's a good spot in the middle. It is around the corner from one of the schools that I had wanted Munchkin to go to, so she could walk to school and back every day. It is perfect. The neighborhood that it's in is called Campestre, so it's kind of like old money. So it's lots of very spacious homes. Big backyards, big entertainment spaces. This apartment hits a lot of those notes as well. It is very spacious, very roomy. It didn't have, one of the reasons I passed on it initially, like me did have money to go rent it anyway, but one of the reasons I had said to the realtor was, I feel like the money that they were asking for it, I should be able to get more amenities. Like it had a pool, it had a little entertainment area around the pool, but that's it. And for the money that's asking, I have seen complexes here with gym, tennis court, paddle court, whatever, sauna, all kind of fat, all kind of amenities for your buck. So I was just like, And it didn't have like a dedicated indoor place where you could entertain that's not inside of your apartment. So I wished that it did have that, because like if my mom was living with me, for instance, she hosts events at least once a month for her. She has a 50 and over club here in Merida, and she hosts events for them all the time. So it needed that indoor space, because sometimes it had to, want outside door around the pool, you know what I mean? So I just felt like for that money, I could have kept looking and found something better. But I cannot get that apartment out of my head. So I'm about to share it with you right now. All right, guys, this is the entrance door, and this is the apartment. It came fully furnished. So everything you see was included in the rent. I'm going to tell you the rent. Wait no. And The furniture was nice. I liked it. That is a struggle sometimes when you're looking for furniture or you're looking at furnished places here in Mexico. You know, a lot of the times the furniture is just not probably your taste. And so I really, really, really liked the furniture in this unit. I like the big TV right there. So the balcony, or if you're Jamaican, you will know what I mean when I say look for my balcony. Look for my balcony, booby. Oh my goodness, I love that the balcony has glass throughout so I can be sitting on the couch and see. It doesn't have like the concrete barrier to block off the view. No, guys, this is the star of the show for me. This is the star of the show for me, the kitchen. The kitchen. I dream about this kitchen still. The big counter, the humongous fridge, the oven. Do you see the oven? Ovens are very, very hard to come by here in high-rise apartments. So the fact that it had a full oven, I was in dreamland. I love cook. I love cook and I love bake. So I loved all the space. Look on the double sink. Right now the house I'm living at the sink, little bit and cook up like. Oh my gosh, it had so much cupboard space. It had a nice big air conditioning unit in the living space. So, you know, that will cool down the kitchen and the living area. I could not get over how much counter space and cabinetry it had. Such a rare thing. So this is the half bath. Did I tell you? So this is 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Whole heap of space. That's the half bath. So even if you do have a guest, they don't have to use one of your bathrooms. And back here in unit laundry, like, you know, so I watch over the video, I'm gonna cry all over again. I can't believe I couldn't get the apartment. So here is 1 bedroom, and again, all the furniture that you see stays. So it has the closets, it has the little sitting area, so you don't need to carry no desk. It has bedroom, bedside table, and lamp. Listen, I wanna cry all over again. This is the bathroom inside this room. This would have been Munchkin's room and bathroom if we had taken it. Look, there is window inside the bathroom, guys. The mold issue, you have to look for that, and it is a rarity to find a window in a bathroom in a high-rise apartment. So you know the apartment them couch up beside each other, so they don't have windows in the bathroom. But in this building, there's only 2 apartments to each tower, so that means that you have walls on either side of each apartment. So this is bedroom number 3 here. You have walls to each side of the apartment, so the bathrooms have windows, except this little small one here. So this would have been the 3rd bedroom, the 3rd bathroom. But I would have probably converted this bedroom into an office area, so I did not mind this little tiny bathroom here. So this is me. May I get upset all over again. So this is a little utility closet that is beside the laundry area here. So you know, I think the what you call it, the heater and stuff, and you know, you put your broom and your step ladder and your car, you want to go up at the top of the counter and the cabinet and then something. So you put all of them accoutrements there in there. So of course, guys, drum roll please for the master. Okay, so it has a television. I'm not a big TV person, so that never really fancy me. But the balcony again in the bedroom, and then this space. So I could have put a whole sitting area right there. Or I could have set up a little yoga area right there. So, and the closet. Make a walk through the closet. Cheese and peas. Make a walk through the closet. So you're walking through. Okay. You turn back again. And I like even the bedside table and the lamp. Everything just go together. You're walking through, and this is a nice open space, so you don't have to worry about the mold issues because everything is open. But of course, you have doors to close it off. I like how much space this have. I saw closet must look. I say I must have shelf and space, and one side for me and the next side for me because we were a wee one. And the bathroom was nice and open and airy because what? It have window in there again. Look at this. Look at the shower with the big, nice, beautiful window in the shower, so you can leave open the window right there. So, and when the rain fall and it come in, nothing wrong, and you don't have no. Oh God, look at that view from my bed, guys. I'm gonna cry just watching this video over again. I am going to cry. So this is outside, down by the pool area, and so you can set up tables and chairs that they have. right there. If you're having a gathering, they do have some tables and chairs that you can set up there. And of course, you have this nice big lawn. The pool nice, the pool nice and big. You can see that it is a nice, lovely area. It's not a lot of units for the pool area, so this pool is a perfect size, I think, for what it has going on. Anyways, this apartment was going for 24,000 Mexican pesos, which is 1,200 US dollars, which in the grand scheme of things is not horrible, but it's just outside of my budget. And so now I'm going to go in a corner and cry. Tell me what you thought of this apartment. Tell me what you think of the price. Is it worth it? Is it to remember say all of the furniture come in there, so only thing I think it really could use an indoor entertainment space if we want to have a little gathering and I don't want everybody inside of my yard. A lot of the complexes here have that. So this one, why, sure. But anyways, let me know what you guys think of this apartment. I'm gonna go and cry now. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye. Make sure you like and subscribe so more people can watch a video them and we can start make some money. Bye.